Hello friends, on this video right now I'll show you how to turn on full screen gesture on your mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all, you have to move on setting, then from here you have to click on the, by scrolling only you are going to find the system, so you have to click on the system. Here is the system, so you have to click on it. After that, click on the gesture, then here you have to click on the system navigation, scroll down little bit, then here is the gesture navigation. It means full screen gesture, and this one is the 3-button navigation gesture. Okay, so if you want to set full screen gesture, just click on this icon and the full screen gesture will be set and the button will be off. There is no button now. And if you want to control this screen gesture, just click on the left side, scroll like this. This is the back button. Okay, I'll show you again. This is the back button, see. Okay, and if you want to click on the home screen, there is no home screen button, so just scroll on the up. This is the home screen. You just need to scroll up like this. Okay, suppose you play the Play Store, and if you want to off, just scroll like this. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.